Hi everybody, this is Annie Buck, and today I'm going to show you educational byte number 36, which is how to use RSS graffiti to feed a blog to your Facebook page. This is a replacement for our educational byte number 15, which was using the old version of RSS graffiti. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Start out in Facebook. You can see here we're on the business page of Red Bud Cove Bed and Breakfast Suites, which is a bed and breakfast in Branson, Missouri. And we're going to go ahead and go up into the search box and type in the word RSS graffiti. And as soon as I start typing, you can see it starts feeding in. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the RSS graffiti app. It says you are using Facebook as Red Bud Cove Bed and Breakfast Suites, and then you need to switch from using your Facebook as a page to using it as yourself. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to say continue as, and we'll click that blue button. And it says, welcome to RSS Graffiti. Thank you for using our app. They're in the process of moving the app into Facebook. In the meantime, click beta.rssgraffiti.com. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And so now you can see we're on the RSS Graffiti page, and it says add a new publishing plan. So go ahead and click that, and you can name it whatever you want. So in this case, I'm just going to type blog, because that's what we're working on, and create publishing plan. Now the first thing you're going to do is click add new to add a blog source, and then you need to go out and find the RSS feed or the feed URL for your blog. So what I'm going to do is go to Red Bud Cove's website and then click the blog link to take me directly to the blog, and then I'm going to get the RSS feed or the blog feed address. Now depending on what browser you use, you're going to have different ways to do this. I'm using Firefox version 9 or 10, so I'll show you how to use that. If you're using Internet Explorer, Safari, Chrome, anything like that, just Google get RSS feed in Internet Explorer or Safari or Chrome, whatever you're using, and you can get instructions on how to find the RSS feed. But the main thing to remember is that using just the plain blog address is not going to work for you. You have to go get the RSS feed. So for Firefox, you're going to click your bookmark tab bar, and you're going to find your little RSS button. And you can see here it gives you choice to subscribe to feed or comment feed. Well, we want just the feed, so I'm going to click that, and it says redbudcove.com/feed. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back into RSS Graffiti and paste that feed button in and click add source. So then it tells me the feed title, and I'm going to actually put blog there because it's the Red Bud Cove blog. It gives the feed URL, and we're going to tell it to update as soon as possible and publish newest post first, and then click save. So that sets up your blog feed, and you can see it's enabled because it's in green. So now we're going to go over to target, and what we're going to do is choose target. So some people have a couple different business pages. Just choose the one that you want to publish to for your blog, and make sure you publish on behalf of your blog. Don't publish on behalf of yourself, but rather as the business. And then we recommend clicking standard, because then you get in text, audio, images, everything, and you can see what that looks like. It has a really nice blog feed look. You get the title, you get a snippet of the text, it tells you where it comes from and when it was published, and then we're going to go ahead and click save changes. So then we have the different sources, and then we have some options here. So we can click here, you can see statistics if you click there once you've got your blog publishing. But if you click Red Bud Cove blog right here, and then click advanced, you can tell it to give no message, same as items title, static text, or static text plus items title. I like to choose this, and then the static text I use is from our blog. And that will preface each blog post that you make. You have a cutoff date and time, so I'm going to go ahead and tell it to go back to April, and then you can give it a publishing delay. Like if you maybe publish your blogs and then reread them and edit them, you might want to give yourself a little bit of a delay so that you don't have them automatically publishing out the minute that you publish them before you edit them. So you can give it a publish delay if you want to. Then click Save Changes, and then come up here to the middle where it says Off, and just click to turn it on. And it's that simple. Most of the time These little feeds will take, they're not going to be immediate. You're not going to see them feeding out automatically really quickly, but it will take a little bit of time, sometimes up to 24 hours. So just watch your blog and you will see that your blog feed works. Alright, so that's how you feed a blog out to Facebook with RSS Graffiti. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.